This little boy named Johnny that used to live across, my dad is a pastor at a church, and Johnny used to go and basically talk to my dad, probably give him more information than he should have. His parents were, addicted to drugs, and he grew up in a very bad family. And but Johnny would go and confide in my dad, and so, anyways, this is just kind of a song about Johnny, really a kid that, no kid deserves to grow up in a house like that. So we wrote a song about it.
Little Johnny had a little house across from the church on McBride and First. Little Johnny had trouble speaking, but from what you heard, you believed his words. Oh, and if you gave him a gun, oh, the boy could run. After the bullets streaked through his home, oh, Johnny be heard. You don't deserve, run, Johnny, run. You don't deserve what your parents have done. Run, Johnny, run, until the grass is green again. Run, Johnny, run. You don't deserve what your parents have done. Run, Johnny, run, till the grass is green again. Little Johnny had a little house. His little parents were a little tweaked out. Inside that house with jars with flour, sugar, and other white powders. But Johnny didn't take a taste. He saw what it did to his mama's face. On the way to his new home, he can't get there fast enough. Johnny's had enough. Run, Johnny, run. You don't deserve what your parents have done. Run, Johnny, run. Till the grass is green again. Run, Johnny, run. You don't deserve what your parents have done. Run, Johnny, run. Till the grass is green again. Run, till the grass is green again. Run, till the grass is green again. Run, till the grass is green again. Johnny be heard. You don't deserve